Welcome back, guys. It's been a while, hasn't it? I've been buying and selling quite a few cars, but my computer just was absolutely, I don't know what happened to it, but it was just taking me, like, to do a 20-minute video, it was taking me literally all day to do it, and I just hadn't had the time. Anyway, a few updates really. Had to succumb to Sadiq Khan, the Mayor of London. He's pretty much forced me to sell my Peugeot Boxer, which I absolutely did not want to sell, and I've had to buy this. So it's 2017 Transit Custom. I fit the camera in and a few bits already. So open it up and have a look. So I've had to buy this. Fans are through the roof. The prices are incredible. So I fitted the floor mats. I also fitted the seat covers in it. There's nothing wrong with the seats, they're absolutely like brand new. So I thought, you know what, rather than actually destroy the seats, we put some covers on. So that's what we did there. Had the van 2 weeks and the body control module down here packed up, which kept setting the alarm off, kept saying that the doors are open, radio wasn't working properly, lights wasn't working properly, everything was going wrong. Anyway, I managed to find a second-hand body control module with the right serial number, and there was a guy, oh bloody hell, I can't remember where it was now, it's just up near Watford. Anyway, he's on eBay and he's fairly cheap, so I'll explain that in a second. Right, so where was I? Oh yeah, body control module. Yeah, there's a guy on eBay. He only charged me 70 quid. Normally you would have to post them, but he allowed me to drop it off, and then he said he was going to post it back. But 5 minutes down the road, he rang me and said, look, wait there, go and get yourself a coffee, give me an hour, and I'll program it and do it all for you. Anyway, come back, stuck it on, absolutely perfect, all bar the back doors. So they'll lock on the central locking and they'll open, but they won't unlock on the rear doors unless you open them from the inside. But once they're open, it opens and closes fine. But if you lock the van, then the back doors won't open, which is a bit of a bummer. I've got to sort that out. But anyway, I found an auto electrician. He's only an old guy, he's good as gold. He was the one that come and diagnosed the body control module. I mean, listen guys, I'll give 10 grand for this van. I mean, £10,000 for a 17 plate Transit. I mean, and they're going up and up and up in price. It's done 90 odd thousand miles. Anyway, it is what it is. However, but I have had a recall off of Ford's, so this is booked in. We're in May now, towards the end of May, and towards the end of June this is going into Ford's to have a new cam belt fitted free of charge. So yeah, so that's where I am with that. And then right, that's my son's car. I've seen that on there before. He doesn't drive that. That's probably done about 2,000, not enough, no, probably 1,500 miles in a year. It just sits there, he never uses it. Anyway, I bought this. It's a 2012 Fiesta Z-Tech. This is one of them, this is another Seas vehicle. I'll be honest with you, I don't buy anything else but Seas vehicles anymore. However, it is a Cat N and it has been repaired poorly. So you can see that's our aftermarket bumper, and they've obviously binked into something with it again and cracked it. So I've got to repair that. And obviously, we'll just start that. Look how much fillers in there. So I've got to make a couple of decisions really. I have found a bonnet for 74 quid, but it's on the other side of London from me, and that's like half a day to get to the other side of London and back from me, because of this is crap. If you're living in London, I feel sorry for you, because I feel sorry for myself. Anyway, right, So it was, I mean, it was filthy. It was absolutely filthy in here. I've give this seat a clean. Obviously, I'm going to remove that seat. I removed this seat as well because it was broke. The cable had popped off there. So I watched the YouTube video, and apparently if you glue it, put some glue behind it, it will stop it. So I've clipped it back on. Trim's not great, but it just needs a good clean. But there's no rips or tears in it. And guys, honestly, it drives absolutely, oh, it's such a lovely driving car. It's done 60,000 miles, and it really drives well. But as you can see, that seat's in a bad way. But I'm just about to take it out because there's so much crap down the side there and I can't get it out. I'm just trying to give this carpet a bit of a clean at the minute. Then I'm just going to drop the seat out, give the back seat a quick once over, which, to be fair, ain't too bad. So it just needs a little hoover, I think, and it ain't too bad in the back. But as I say, it drives absolutely spot on. So yeah, that's where I am. Let me know what you think, guys.